Deep beneath the ocean's surface, where sunlight dares not venture, lies a creature so bizarre, it could be straight out of an alien movie. This creature is none other than the methane iceworm, a deep-sea enigma that calls the icy depths its home. But this isn't just any ice. This is methane hydrate, a flammable ice that's as mind-boggling as it sounds. Our wiggly friend, the methane iceworm, is not your average worm. It's a creature that thrives in an environment that would be inhospitable to most life forms. This wriggling spaghetti of the sea lives on frozen methane, a compound that could burst into flames at room temperature. It's a peculiar lifestyle that makes you wonder, how do these creatures survive in such extreme conditions? Well, that's a question scientists are still trying to answer. But one thing's for sure, these worms are playing with fire, or ice, or both. But why should we care about these chilly wigglers, you might ask? Well, these little methane munchers are actually environmental superheroes, believe it or not. They live in a cozy symbiosis with methane-eating bacteria. This partnership has a crucial role in preventing the potent greenhouse gas from seeping into our atmosphere. Yes, these squiggly critters are part of a system that helps keep Earth's climate in balance. Now let's add a dash of science to this icy tale. Researchers are intrigued by these enigmatic iceworms. How do they survive in such extreme conditions? What can they teach us about life in the universe's harshest environments? The answers to these questions could unlock new biochemical secrets, and maybe even help us tackle some of our planet's biggest challenges. Who knew that the fate of the world might hinge on an organism thinner than your headphone wires? And if you're thinking of inviting them over for a barbecue, think again. These worms are strictly cold-living creatures. They're so cool, they probably never sweat about anything. Each iceworm is like a mini mystery, thriving in darkness over a kilometer underwater. That's deeper than the height of the Eiffel Tower, in case you were wondering. And speaking of food, what's on the menu for these critters? It's a full buffet of methane with a side of microbe garnish. Yum. Here's a cool fact. Methane iceworms were only discovered in 1997. That's right, just over a quarter of a century ago, we had no idea these icy invertebrates existed. It's a stark reminder that there are still countless wonders waiting to be discovered on our own planet. The methane iceworm is just one of the many enigmatic creatures hidden in the deep blue. Makes you wonder what else is out there, doesn't it? If you're hungry for more secrets from the deep blue, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Dive into the comments and let us know what other mysterious creatures you'd like us to explore next. And now you know. Stay curious.